So since I'm home alone for tonight, let's go outside, sit on the bench, bring my remarkable with me as well, and let's talk about what's on my mind. These past 2 weeks, and really what's coming forward as well. So, for once, I just wanted to switch up the scenery just because every time, in basically every single video, I always film in my room, and I never usually get a chance to film outside, with peace and, without anyone judging me. So, sitting here, it is 7:20, almost 7:25. So, I'll try and make this talk short and sweet, give you guys a little bit of news, anything that's happened, and I'll wrap that up for the video, right where I am here. Guys, while we're here on our bench, let's get our trusty new remarkable. This is just going to be a game changer for work, for just making things more cleaner and just allowing myself to be more streamlined in my work and actually enjoy my work again, because past 2 months, past 3 months, like, school has really bogged me down. It's really gotten me demotivated, and I've literally been having to use this 2 week break just to recollect myself, and literally in next Monday, I'm coming back for another 2 weeks. So really, I just need to give you guys a quick update, let you know anything that's happened for the past 2 weeks, maybe the past, month or so. It is like the 10th or the 11th of October. It's Friday today, so firstly, of course, I have the 2 week break, which is literally going to end next Monday anyways. That's one thing. Of course, next I got the Remarkable Paper Pro. You guys know this at this point. Fully specced it out to the best I could be. This is a fucking brand new product. This Paper Pro, which is like, I believe it's slightly bigger. It's got color display, nice little ridges on the build, with the Marker Plus. So many more features, just a refined product. This only came out a month ago, and I'm very, very lucky that there was a series of fortunate events. If you guys have been watching, the past recent videos when I, talked about my budget and what came in and what came out, I'm very, very fortunate to be able to have this. Who knows, maybe in 1 month I might return it, maybe in 2 months I might return it, maybe in 3 months I might return it. There's a 100-day guarantee. There's that window for me to return it. So, it's there. I really cannot vouch for this more enough. I'd love to give this to some friends, in the future, if it helps for them, and maybe even we could do like some giveaways, and I could give one out to you guys. I'd love to do giveaways in the future, but that's a dream, and that's a goal, and that's a plan for the next 1 to 2 years. I'm 18, and 19, 20, I want to make some big jumps in my life and make sure that I gain independence, I gain control, I gain stability of my actual path, and make sure that what I'm doing is real. What I'm doing is going to be something that I'm going to actually commit to for my life. Yeah, this thing is just fucking sick. Yet again, I'm still trying to integrate all this stuff, but I mean, I'm just going to say so far, I can really vouch for this. If you guys want me to do a review, I'll do a review regardless. I think I'll do it anyways. But yeah, this is just a sick tool. Actually, like, it makes me feel like I'm making $1 million right now or something, which is a very far away goal at the moment, but soon. Sorry guys, I realized I just forgot something, so let me just go ahead and get it from the fridge. Give me a second. Alright guys, I'm back. Guys, I totally forgot about this. This is the last shot. I remember, guys, I did a video back and basically saying I was going to drink a shot per video. I kind of forgot about it, and now here it is. We got the last bottle. This is Digest Gut Health Super Shot by Juice Lab Wellness, apple cider vinegar, acacia, and wheatgrass. Here it is. If you guys don't see it, that's what it looks like. Go ahead and drink this up, and then we'll resume with what we got. Absolutely disgusting. Next thing is, I remember a couple videos back knowing this while I was editing it. I said that I'm transitioning to become a king in DL. Turns out that it was also during the same time where I was talking with Jonas. If you guys do not know, that is the affiliate manager for DL. And through a turn of events, seeing him say something about this and then DMing him about it, following up a few months later, I have now upgraded the affiliate role, not actually upgraded the King subscription. I've upgraded the affiliate role, and now I am a UGC affiliate. It's a kind of a rare little lesser known affiliate brand, but it's so long as you put your face, you use your face in your camera, which I have for my DL review, which is the most popular video on my channel, and you aim to constantly generate content from that and provide conversions, provide new students for DL, then you therefore cover under the UGC banner, which is user generated content affiliate role. So from that, what I've been able to sneakily do is now, part of being a UGC affiliate, I get a free King subscription. So I don't have to pay. I don't have to pay all the way until basically my subscription's paused and I got the King badge in the community, and it will be paused until like October 10th, 2025. So October. So pretty much I don't have to pay a single dollar, hopefully, for the rest from 12 months from now, pretty much. So basically how that will reflect on the budget, which I will also get into soon, is pretty much 404 AUD, 270 US dollars will not be counted for 2024 October, and will only be seen again when the subscription is unpaused, and then I think I have to upgrade to DL King again, or see if I do good enough, if I perform well, I apply for year 2, and pretty much that's it. Basically now I'm on DL for free for 12 months, so that is great. The next thing is, a couple days ago I got my next payout done. I won't be celebrating this time just because only $72.49 came through. I'll pop that on the screen here, and yeah, that will be my payout for October. There was actually like $30, like I don't know, like $22 USD in the balance, but I don't know, they just didn't choose to transact that, but so whatever. So technically I have made $100 again, and I should probably just celebrate, maybe in another video. I won't do like the big talks again and this and that. It gets a little bit too much to edit as well. Pretty much got another affiliate payout. With just being a DL, and doing that review that I did in like April, it's just a gift that keeps on giving, and truly, seriously, I'm just so grateful for that. Being able to post wins in the chat, and it all playing well, in the timing of my budget, just everything. It's been genuinely just a game changer. Making my first money online through that, even though it's not a lot, even though I don't expect it to be everything, it's the start, and it's what's gonna get me going to kickstart my career. So there's that, my October affiliate payout of over $100, $72.49 into my bank account, but like $30 US still in my account. It is what it is. So last thing is the budget, in terms of future expenses and inflows and outflows. I'm going to keep it really simple. Inflows is the October affiliate payout, which is $72.49. In terms of expenses, I don't think I actually have any. One thing I would consider though is my laptop at the moment is breaking, in terms of the charger, not the laptop itself. So that's going to cost me like $50, basically my October affiliate payout, so that's great. and that is pretty much it. Future expenses is literally just being charged rent, maybe if I ever have to pay for food, obviously the deal subscription, but that's way until like October. And obviously agency costs if I need to definitely buy a domain. Sorry if you guys don't get this like geeky business esoteric stuff. This just block your ears for a second while I talk about this. Got like agency costs with like software, maybe a CRM, maybe a email domain, an actual domain. Maybe you have to get up a website, etc. Maybe you have to pay for a few more subscriptions just for the agency, or maybe I might brand it by myself. But we'll see. We'll figure it out. I'm still working on the NSO. If you guys, that is the niche research document. Still working for it. I'm trying to blitz through it a little bit more. I've kind of realized I'm just quite I'm not perfect, guys. I'm literally just where you all are. If you're beginning in online business, that's exactly where I am. Just because I made a little bit of money doesn't mean I'm still not a beginner. I still don't know really what I'm doing. The DL affiliate stuff, it runs on the side. So I'm not really doing too much with that. I don't need to upkeep anything. I get paid out, I get views, I get conversions, and then I get paid out, and then it goes into my bank account, and then I either celebrate or yada yada yada. It's really not that much. I made like literally maybe less than 200 USD in it. So it's really not that much. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the budget. I also saw someone commented asking for the budget. This is my message to you. 100% I will do that for you. In fact, if you check below in the description, I will put the budget there. This is also why I'm doing this video, so that if any of you guys want to use the budget, the same budget that I use, there you go. That's there for you guys. If you ever want a budget, basically for like over 12 months until the end of 2025, just so then you have a clear outline of your expenses and your revenue, your inflows, your outflows, and there'll be a few metrics down below, a time audit as well. All the commands are done for you. There's no work that you need to do except just input your own expenses, your own revenue, and copy and paste if need be. If there's any questions you guys have about the budget, let me know down below in the comments, and I will assist you guys with that. You can head over to my socials and we can talk in detail about that. So guys, that's pretty much it. I apologize. This has been another long video. Gosh, the amount of time it takes just to edit and upload a 20-minute video, comprising of like 30 minutes to 40 minutes of footage or B-roll, it's just a mess. And guys, a thought that I want to leave you guys off of is that even though I do content, even though I do this as a hobby, I just want to let you guys know again that I'm not a content creator, I'm not a YouTuber. I've set my mind up to become an entrepreneur. If that is the case, I cannot spend my time all day editing and doing all these cool cuts and these edits. I was trying to still add a personal little touch here and there, but overall I'm just not going to be going crazy on my videos and doing some sick edits and this that. Maybe I'll just do like a little black bars and some music, but overall that's pretty much it, and some text as well. Yeah, guys, I'm a business person, I'm an entrepreneur. I'm not a content creator, I'm not a video editor, I'm not a professional editor and do all these cool cuts and this grading and LUTs and 3D effects. I'm just here documenting to you, my journey, vlogging my day-to-day life, and just showing you, what's happening, how am I advancing, how am I making money, what's going out, what's happening, just basically what's happening in my life. Nothing more than that. So yeah, if you guys have stuck to this point, I seriously cannot appreciate you guys enough. When I remind myself of, yet again, who I'm doing it for, my family, myself, to take care of myself, to one day take care of my mom, my family, my parents, help any friends that may need to buy something or needs help with solving a problem, and then to give back to my community, and then one day if I really want to push it, do something for the world. But when I'm reminded of all of that, and also you guys, the fact that you guys are supporting my channel. I have 200 subscribers as of recording this, like 205. Seriously, it's you guys remind me, and remind me to appreciate what I already have, and to allow me to just pick my feet back up again when things aren't going the best. And some days I feel like, I can't get any work done. I just gotta remind myself that, even though I have these setbacks, I need to move on, and I just need to keep pushing it, and, keep going. There's so many people I made promises to, so many people who are aware and respect the ambitions and the plans I'm going for. I know I can't let them down. I know I can't let you guys down. So I appreciate you guys coming to this video. It is dark as shit outside, so I'm going to go ahead and go back in. Actually, for that, I'm going to just sit outside, maybe just for 5 minutes, and go ahead and journal for the first time. So we're going to drop our first journal entry down, and then I will go back inside and get back to my work. I'll just read off my journal entry for today, the 11th of October 2024. Just recorded some footage outside with the help of my new Remarkable Paper Pro. I'm honestly been so blessed and fortunate with where I am now. I just need to acknowledge that and have some urgency and pick up the pace to make sure I make the last 3 months of 2024 worthwhile and on a good note for next year. So guys, I appreciate you all being here. Seriously, I just know that I need to stop overthinking it and just do the work. And if I can do that, I know that these last 3 months of 2024, I can really make a big difference and set myself up, set up a launch pad for next year. So I appreciate you guys sticking around. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope some of this stuff relates to you. As I'm starting out as a online beginner entrepreneur, hopefully just like yourself, to understand that it's a marathon, not a sprint, and that these things take time. But it's really as simple as if you have the patience and the consistency, then in 6 to 12 months, you can really change your life. You can really, start to see a new direction for where you're going. And I can definitely say that for sure. The past 10 months, my life has changed dramatically. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Can I call you Rose?